Hi guys, welcome to this video. This is a quick video how I resin my paintings. This is a gallery wrapped professional grade canvases. You can also do it on wooden boards. You cannot layer resin surface on thin canvases. So the first step, to strengthen the canvas, I spray the back of it with the water and then let it dry. The next step, I'm gonna mix the resin and follow the instruction on the resin. It depends on the brand. Usually it's 1:1 by volume. After I mix the resin for 3 minutes, I start pouring it as so in puddles. I pour the puddle in the center of the canvas, and then I will spread it with my spatula or with my fingers. Make sure you wear gloves and protective gear. I have a professional mask that covering my nose and my full face. So make sure you spread it outwards and cover the edges as well. And don't do the thick layer because it's gonna be uneven and it's gonna be too heavy for the canvas. For this canvas, you don't need a thick layer of resin. So make sure it just covers the canvas, but it's not thick. So to calculate the resin for the project, you go to Total Boat Resin Calculator. This is the website, and you input in the fields the size of the canvas. In my case, it is 12 by 12 inch, and it will give you the result, how much you will need for the project. So I have 2 canvases that I'm covering, so it will be ×2. And after you cover the surface and all the edges, you will let it sit for about 3 minutes and let the bubbles rise to the top, and then you will blow torch. I usually blow torch about 3 times, no more than that, because if you blow torch, and I'm meaning blow torching with intervals, so you blow torch the surface slightly, like skimmering through the surface, and then you let it sit for another 7 minutes, then you torch again, 7 minutes, you torch again, and 3 times, no more, because if you do more than 3 times, you will overdo it and it will ruin the surface, and it will leave indentations, and it will damage the surface. Trust me, I worked on big projects and countertops and tabletops, and I've learned the hard way. When I screwed my big tabletop, and I had to do another layer and waste a lot of materials. So yes, make sure you do that and don't overdo it. And that's it. Let it dry overnight. remove the tape from the back, and voila, it's a beautiful project. The total cure time is about 5-7 days before you ship, but to remove the tape you can do after 12 hours. So those canvases came out absolutely glorious, delicious, beautiful. I love it so much. And I hope this video helped you. This is for Debbie Hoffman. She asked me to do she asked me to do the resin, how I did the resin top for my canvases. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, leave me a comment, always helps, and have a beautiful day. I'll see you soon. Ciao.